sabon na ito is premium tallow with Himalayan salt. Ayan guys, available na sa ating website. Mabibili na guys for only 99 cents. 12 pieces for only 99 cents. Paano maka-avail ng 12 pieces for only 99 cents guys? Buy 12 pieces for regular price and you can get 12 pieces for only 99 cents guys. Ayan, bargain na bargain tayo guys. Premium tallow with Himalayan salt. Napakaganda sa ating skin guys at hindi tinipid sa ingredients. At saka magagandang klaseng oil ang ating ginamit sa paggawa ng sabon na ito. So ayan guys, bargain na bargain tayo para sulit ang ating padala. At saka pangalawa, nagde-deliver tayo sa US, lalo na kung US money kayo guys, mas mababa kasi kami ay Canadian dollar. So mas mababa ang inyong bili. So for only 99 cents, 12 pieces guys. Paano maka-avail? Bibili kayo ng 12 pieces for regular price and you can get another 12 pieces for only 99 cents. So ayan guys, ang babayaran nyo lang is regular price 12 pieces and another 12 pieces for only 99 cents. Bargain na bargain tayo guys para sulit ang ating padala. Ayan guys, at gawa sa magagandang klaseng oil. So ayan, so premium tallow with Himalayan salt guys, lalo na kung naliligo tayo ng mainit na tubig araw-araw. So ayan guys, kaya itong sabon na ito ay napaka-natural at magandang klase na sabon. Ang gamit natin is grass-fed tallow. So ayan guys.